Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will give you insights on the top 3 stocks that I try to buy on every possible dip. Without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. The first stock I'm gonna talk about in today's video is Hindustan Unilever, or more famously known as HUL. So this company is actually an FMCG company and it is one of the top 5 FMCG companies in India. FMCG basically means that fast moving consumer goods. To give you a better understanding, FMCG products are daily usage products like toothpaste, toothbrushes, and shampoos, soaps, and coffee powders, and all those things which we use on daily basis, on regular basis. So why is it that I invest in this company whenever I get the opportunity? To answer this question, let me take you to HUL's official website. So we are in HUL's website right now, and if you see what HUL is selling, HUL is selling big brands, big products like Axe, Boost, Three Roses, Red Label, Taj Mahal, Brew, Comfort, Close Up, Clinic Plus, Domex, Dove, Fair and Lovely, Fair and Handsome, Glow and Handsome, Lifebuoy, Pond's, Horlicks. The list just keeps on going down, right? So the first reason why I trust in this company and why I want to invest in this company whenever I get the opportunity is because what it is selling. The things, the products which it is selling, which this company is selling, is like top notch. Every household, every single household in India will have at least one product which HUL is selling, right? And the goodwill of this company is another reason why I want to invest in this company, because look at its brands. No one is gonna stop buying Three Roses. No one is gonna stop buying Red Label for at least another decade. No one is gonna stop buying Boost. No one is gonna stop buying Rin, Horlicks, and all this stuff. Its brand value of HUL is huge. The second and most important reason why I want to invest in this company whenever I get the opportunity is, let me take you to the screener of this Hindustan Unilever. Okay, look at this. Look at the balance sheet of this company. Look at its assets. Like 2011, 10,000, and 2022, 71,000. Like every year it has just kept on growing, right? And if you see the total assets of this company from 2011 to 2021, it has more than 5x, more than 6x, right? And if I take you to the profit and loss of this company here. So if you see the net profits of this company, it has just kept on compounding its net profits every year. 2011, it was 2,000 crores, and this year, trading 12 months, it's already almost 10,000 crores, which is more than 5x growth in just 10 years, right? That is like great. And if you come to the market cap, look at the market cap of this company, right? It is huge. The company is huge, and ROE, ROCE, and ROE are just great, and it is just a great company to invest in. And even if you see its maximum, the chart movement of this company, you'll see that it is a consistent compounder. It is a defensive company. There is nothing like a lot of volatility in this company. So this is a very good company if you are looking to build your long-term portfolio, because this company is just gonna grow consistently. It is gonna compound from here on, right? So according to me, there is a very, very, very slim chance that a company like HUL can fail in India. So I try to invest in this company whenever I get the opportunity, because I trust in this company, and everyone in India trusts in this company, and this company is just gonna compound your wealth consistently. So the second stock I'm gonna talk about in this video is HDFC Bank. You're right, HDFC Bank. The leading private bank of India, HDFC Bank is the stock that I try to buy in every dip opportunity I can. So why is it that I buy this bank so hugely? Is because, see, India is an emerging economy, right? And India is growing very rapidly. India is growing at a 15% growth every year. Like inflation is around 6 to 7%, and India's real growth is around 8%. So both together it's around 15%, which means India is growing by 15% every year. And which is the leading private bank of India? HDFC Bank. Which is the private leading housing finance bank in India? HDFC Group. So if India grows in by 15% every year, then there is no doubt that HDFC Bank and HDFC Group will have to grow by a 15% at least every year. To understand this better, let me take you to the balance sheet of HDFC Bank. So this is the balance sheet of HDFC Bank, and if you look here, 2011 it was this much total assets, and now if you look at 2022, it is this much. So it is more than a 10x growth in its total assets in the last 10 years, right? And even if you go to the net profit of the company, look at here, 4,000 crores, and right now trading 12 months it is 41,000 crores. That means a literal 10x growth in net profits in the last 10 years, which is huge, right? And if you see the stock price CAGR in the last 10 years, it is 16%. As I said, if India is growing at least 15%, then this stock also has to grow by at least 15%. But in the last 10 years, which in the years, it has grown by 16%. But if you look here, in the last 5 years, it has grown only by 9%. And in the last 3 years, it has grown only by 5%. And the last 1 year, it has grown by it's a negative growth, minus 14%, which means, but India is still growing at 15% every year, right? Which means there is a lot of upside to be made in HDFC Bank as of now. And if you go and look at any other bank, any other peers of HDFC Bank, like Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, or any bank, you'll see that all the banks have given a breakout in the recent years, but HDFC Bank has not given any breakout, any big move in the last couple of years, in the last 2-3 years, right? So there is a very, very huge chance that we can see a very huge breakout in HDFC Bank sooner or later, but it's gonna happen, right? Because it has to grow, as it's the number one bank in India. And this is not an investment advice, this is just my perspective, this is just my analysis, my research. You have to do your own due diligence before you invest. Let's get back to the video. The third stock I'm going to be talking about in this video is Asian Paints. Now, who doesn't know Asian Paints? Everyone knows Asian Paints, right? Every day at least one ad pops up on your TV about Asian Paints. Asian Paints is the leading paint brand in India and the top 3 leading paint brand in Asia. I don't think I have to talk a lot about Asian Paints in this video, but everyone knows the brand value that Asian Paint has created, right? If you go and ask any uncle or just any person who's about to build his home and ask which paint they're gonna use, they'll tell Asian Paints. Yeah, let's go. So that's the brand value that Asian Paint has, probably huger, bigger than the brand value which HUL has. Now let me take you to the balance sheet of Asian Paints, right? So here you can see that the total assets of Asian Paint has just kept on increasing. It is more than 5x in the last decade, right? More than 5x in just 10 years. And if you come down over here, if you see the net profit of this company, it has more than 5x. Again, the net profits have also more than 5x in the last 10 years. And also if you see the CAGR of this company, 10 years 23%, 5 years 20%, 3 years 20%, 1 year 4%. That's bad, but this is again a defensive stock that we'll be talking about. This also comes under like a protective stock in your portfolio that will not fall a lot when the markets are falling, and will also not skyrocket when the markets are skyrocketing. But this is like a safe stock and a consistent compounder stock, so you don't have to worry if you purchase this stocks or any 3 stocks in this list. And all the 3 stocks that I have mentioned in this video, HUL, HDFC Bank and Asian Paints, are not like multi-bagger stocks. They won't start giving you 10x, 100x returns on your investment, and the returns won't start from tomorrow. This video has been made with the perspective of long term in mind. So if you're thinking to invest long term, then always look for opportunities in stock like this and do your own research and due diligence before investing in any stock or just stock market. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon.